This is something that you really can utilize then if I am the surgeon and if there is a restorative doctor that has referred the patient, this can be brought to that team member. So if we go into Osstell Connect, if we look at an implant, for example, if we have a primary and we have a secondary measurement, I can go into the stability section. What you see here is a first measurement and a second measurement. And we see that there's an increase in ISQ. And I feel comfortable now as a specialist if I'm going to refer back the patient to the restorative doctor, they can go on with the prosthetic process and feel comfortable enough. And of course, we can export this data. So when we press the export button, we will create a stability report. And this stability report becomes a PDF. And this, of course, can be brought to the restorative doctor. So every single piece of information surrounding the implant patient is easily transferred along with the patient to restorative doctor. And this is really something that they enjoy because it's so much clearer when we're working together with the patient.